In my last video, I said that I couldn't talk trash about the Gardein meals because I hadn't had one yet. Well, I've been talking trash about Lean Cuisine for quite a while, and truth is, I haven't had one until today. Let's go. Alright guys, before we get started, if you could go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and smash the like button. It definitely helps out the algorithm to help me get my videos out to more people so more people can enjoy this content. So like I said in the beginning, we're going to be going over a Lean Cuisine today, guys. So I've never had one of these. I've actually used them as an example in a class during my internship of what not to eat. I've used them as an example to clients as what not to eat, and to be honest, I've never had one. So I need to do that. The problem with that is going over the ingredients on here, there's 45 ingredients, and it's really hard for me to recommend this to someone specifically. This is going to be on the cheaper quality side. This is going to be something that you would try out and maybe have in your freezer for like an emergency or something like that. It's not completely bad. It's really not. I don't want to give you that impression. I'm just not impressed with it. There's a lot of unneeded things. They have whey protein in here when you have the chicken. I know it's in the sauce, and there's just a lot of things that are in here. So what I wanted to do today is I actually wanted to try to see if I could make something similar but a lot healthier. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to my kitchen and see what I can come up with. All right, let's go. What's up guys, I'm back from my kitchen, got them both cooked up, and I gotta say the Lean Cuisine does not look like the cover. The cover actually looks really good. The Lean Cuisine, on the other hand, we don't have too many extra vegetables in there. In fact, those two red spots are the only red peppers that I found. So in mine, I had to put extra veggies. Threw some avocado on top, and I really had fun putting that together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into these because I'm starving. Now I've never had a Lean Cuisine before, so this is going to be the first time I try it. I don't know how I feel about it, but you know, you don't know until you know. Yeah, it's got that frozen meal taste to it. I don't know. The chicken has more of a tofu flavor. It's kind of strange. But the snap peas are really good. They're really thick noodles. The sauce isn't bad. Yeah, it's just it's got a weird, the chicken's got a weird texture to it. I don't know. I'm not always the biggest fan of meat. But when it comes to meat out of a frozen box, it's kind of what I've come to expect. So that's that. Set that aside, and let's try what I made, because I'm not gonna be biased. I have no idea how I did. I've never made this before, and I did use a jarred sauce. So the sauce is something that I wanted to try, and I have the noodles are made out of the zucchini that you saw me do. So this is actually the first time that I'm trying this, and these noodles are pretty hot. So let's dig into this and hopefully it's good, man. You don't even need a recipe. You saw what I did, but that's really good. You guys got to try that out. So yeah, clearly I'm gonna choose what I made. I know what's in here to where I don't know, you know, what's all in the lean cuisine. There's a lot of stuff in here, guys. Hydrogenated rapeseed and cottonseed oils. There's a lot of oils in here. And in things like this, even if they say no preservatives, there's ways of hiding preservatives without the labeled preservative. That's why you just got to know what you're eating. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around and watching the end of this video. If you could just go ahead and hit the like button below. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. And please, please enjoy the rest of your day. I'm going to dig into my food and enjoy mine. Thanks, guys.